at home, or out and about. Make your music move with you. With Premium, you can download your music at higher quality, listen to songs ad-free, and play them in any order. Tap the banner to learn more.
stream started. About to get the stream started. Uh, About to get it started, guys. About to get it started. About to get the stream started, guys. About to get the stream started. Um, let's start. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this morning. We thank you for today. We thank you for this day you're giving unto us. Bless you, Holy as the stream is about to start. Um, Everyone who's about to turn into the stream, bless their life, bless the stream, and bless every other person that comes on the stream. Whoever is the heart desire, give it unto them. Mighty name of Jesus, in Jesus, in precious name I pray. Amen. Amen. So let's start, guys. So let's start from Forest Factory. Let's start from our Forest Factory and let's see what's going on. So we have a red folder news on gold. We have a red folder news on gold today by 3 o'clock. And you can see it. You can see the red folder news. I also have a NGG news today by 1:15 p.m. 1:45 p.m. So that's what we have currently here. So if I go over to my chart, let's break it down. Let's break it down and let's see what's going on. So let's start from our daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the daily candle ended bullish. You can see how the daily candle is bullish. Let us even quickly look at the weekly as well. So we can see how the weekly is. So we can see how the weekly closed as well. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hey guys. All right. All right, let's continue. So you can see on the daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame. Let's see daily time frame that is currently pushing bearish. And if you go to the 4 hours as well, 4 hours is bearish as well. And it closes below the structure. Closes below the structure, so we can anticipate some bearish momentum to the downside. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour two is bearish, breaking below structure. If I go to the 30 minutes time frame, 30 minutes two is bearish. You can see 30 minutes inside pushing. So if I go to the 15 minutes as well, 15 minutes bearish. I'm anticipating a sell, but I can't anymore because this candle has no bottom. So we have to let it go. I'm actually expecting the sell. So I have to actually let it go and wait for no structure to form before we look at anything. So for me to look for any opportunities now for like sales, any price to like put up back, like do something like this. Like um, give me some, sorry, give me like some bullish momentum back to the upside. We get the upside, then we can get like a bearish candle pushing downwards. Then we can look for retest and to sell the price like this. So this is what I'm anticipating for sales. If I'm looking for sales right now because this particular candle has no bottom weak, no bottom this previous candle. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for. So we have to just wait at this point. We can't get into anything here. We have to just wait. And what we're next we're gonna do is for buys as well. We need similar thing for buys as well. So we have to just wait for structure to just create properly. Then we know exactly what we're going to do. I hope you guys can hear me, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Actually, you can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. We'll just still wait for the 30 minutes time frame to close and wait to see if we get like a rejection from this candle in 30 minutes. So we can also enter up to 30 minutes if the 30 minutes close well. Like we get a good rejection on 30 minutes, then you're jumping to the trade from 30 minutes. That'll be it. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait and see how the candle close. Then we know exactly what we want to do. Basically, that's it. Basically, that's it. So let's wait. Let's wait and see what's going on in the market. Yeah, that's what's going on. And for DJ, a lot of it. They will show you what's going on. I'll tell you guys what I think going to happen with DJ. My network seems to be bad this morning, but hopefully it's take us all through. But I'm having like terrible network this morning. So, but GJ is very bullish right now. We are talking about structure. Let's look at the 15. So, we got a break of structure on the 15, but we need like a pullback because we have a resistance here. So, we need like a pullback to indicate that there's a lot of volume and price wants to actually want to push up. And again, mind you, this is the last, this is the last 15 as well. Sorry, guys, I've not updated the, and this is about updated the account balance. So basically, that's what I want price to do. Like we test comes down a bit, we test the structure, then we can activate the bullish momentum so the price keep going to the upside. We have range to the upside. We have about 20 pip range, if I'm mistaken. Okay, 19 pip, basically 20. So this is basically what we're working on with DJ. So let me just do a proper top analysis. Let me just break it down from daily time frame so we can see exactly what we're going on, what we're working with, and let's see everything. Um, let's just see everything. So now this is the daily time frame on GJ has broken below structure. You only broke threshold yesterday, but you can see the other daily time frames are pushing downwards. You can see that there's also a support level here. So we're anticipating GJ to test this support level to this point. You're expecting the price to come down. It says this is exactly what we will price to do. Exactly what one price to come to this level and test. If I go to my 4 hour time frame, you can see that the 4 hours has 4 hours has no support. I think just at this area that I put myself, you can see it has no support. And if I go to my 1 hour time frame as well, you can see 1 hour is approaching the level of support. So the possibility that price will get to this level check. But mind you, in the lower time frame, price is already creating high and so this could also be a counter trend for it might actually be what trading a counter trend to the upside. So that should be something you should take note of. It's like counter trend to the upside. So let's just pay attention to what's going on in the market as well. Let's pay attention to what is price is doing, like what is occurring in price, because we can also get a fake out. So we can anticipate a fake out from here as well. If price plays back into the range, we can look for opportunities to like set the price for the downside. And look in mind, you look at this particular 30 minutes candle, you see that it has no bottom wick. So this is something we can pay attention to watch closely. So let's see this price rejecting. Now if price can leave a weak comeback up, then the buys would have been likely big opportunity for us to buy the price to the upside. But let's wait. We have to just wait for the candles to close. Then we know exactly what to do and how we're going to enter the. That's basically just what to do. So let's wait 8 more minutes to the end of the candle, and that's so I'm about to just step to do something. So I'll be back. I'll be back in no time and we can continue looking for opportunity from there. So just, from now, just let's look at the charts. I'm back, guys. I like how the way the count is closing. So I've been looking for opportunities to sell, but it's going to be below this low here. We have to wait for the candle to close. So it's also the end of the 1 hour candle as well. So let's see how that closes. Then we know how we're going to dive right in. But we need the next candle to create a top wick, and this candle shouldn't give us a bottom wick. We have about 20 seconds left to the end of the candle. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm going to 5 minutes. 5 minutes has created a structure, and price is breaking below the structure. So let's see. Stop loss should be around here. But we need the next candle to give us a top wick, so we can look to execute the trade as well. We just need that next candle now because it's the start of a new hour candle. It's the start of a new hour, so we need a top wick. So let me set this up. So far, this is what I have. But I still need like a steeper top wick. Or if you like this, I'm going to go into 15 minutes as my top wick. You know what's going to do. So this is what I'm working with. It's based off the 1 hour. So let me send this out first. Let me also place my sell stop just in case. I'm using 0.5 on this account right now. This is long session, so I expected I'm going to like kick in now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. So I have a sell stop here, guys. I have a sell stop here. I have a sell stop at this level here. The 1 hour looking good. You see, the 1 hour looking good for the flip. The 30 minutes looking good for the flip as well. Let's just wait. Let's see. Because 1 hour, so I can split price between a deep rejection. You get me? So it's based on the 1 hour, so that's possible. Let's see. I mean, why let's also look at GJ. GJ was a pair I'm looking at too. So GJ closed. Wow, GJ closed above. Let's see. Let's see. Oh wow, almost the same thing. Came down, retested. If you flip bullish again, I feel like it's supposed to drive to the upside. Almost the same thing with gold. It's almost the same thing with gold. That's nice. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see. Let's see how gold plays out. Might even decide to start pushing up from here, self. Because I think inflated is more. Yeah. Both might all decide to start pushing up from here. Might decide not to even come back down. So look at that's something that God can do. And mind you, we're looking for buys above here. Our buys above here. All right, guys. I'll be deleting my sell stop now. I'm deleting my sell stop. Let's delete sell stop and wait. Delete sell stop, guys. Let's delete sell stop. Let's delete sell stop and wait. Delete sell stop, guys. Let's wait. Now I'm actually going to buy. Imagine you having two buyers. Right now, I'm actually getting a buying opportunity. Price close the way it close. Like it should be like more of a fake out to the downside, and the overall move, which is a bullish move. Now this will be price um closing price closing above this level here, and you have about 6 moments. The range is about 30 pip. Also breaking above the 30 minutes candle as well. Yeah, it's breaking above 30 minutes candle. But I need to hold on. Yeah, I need the candle to hold on. Yeah, so let's have to wait now. We have to wait now, and let's see how the candle close. So that's the next thing to do. Wait and see how the candle close. guys, we're waiting to see what's going on. Waiting to see. You can see that the gold is actually now rejecting on this level. Let's also look at GJ. Maybe GJ 2 is giving us a fake out as well. So GJ is pushing down as well. So let's see. We're watching it closely, so let's see what's going on. But gold is looking like a more better opportunity if we get that price closing the way I want. If price closes like this, like we close the way it is, then if we close the way it is, all I need price is to do is like the next candle to close um retest, like just come back to do a retest. Then if we want to flip bullish, I look to get either wherever it is from the flip or the break of this high. It depends on how this candle close and the range of the flip. So that's what I'm going to, and how deep the pullback is. So this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I'm anticipating. So what am I going to happen here is going to tell me how I'm going to execute my trade and how I will likely enter this trade. So that's exactly what I'm looking at right now. So I'm just waiting to see how the candle goes, and trust me, I'll be there. I'll be ready to jump into the trade. So I just have to wait for now. It's 4 more minutes to the end of the candle, and you will know exactly what to do in 4 minutes. So let's wait. Let's wait patiently and let's see what's going on. And mind you, price can still decide to reject from that level. You can still decide to see some massive rejection because I know the 30 minutes has broken above the 30 minutes high, but mind you, the 1 hour as well is still very much valid. Do you understand? The 1 hour can is still very, very, very much valid. 30 minutes can decide to reject and come close a bit below and you can look to sell, but also you can still also look to buy from here. So let us wait and see how it closes in 10 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't push too up that the range gets too small for me to trade. You understand? So if the range gets too small, I'll just have to wait for price to break above this level so I can buy it. You understand? I feel like from here price can actually drive to the very top. So what's it guys? We have about 2 more minutes as London decide is bias. Where does he want to push? As as London decides its direction, we know a bit. We can see some rejection on the 5 minutes time frame. That I don't really want that rejection. I don't like the rejection. I don't like that rejection. It seems to be I see some rejection. I want the 5 minutes close bullish. Going inside because I want to close bullish. I don't like the bearish can. has broken below the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, into up to 15 minutes candle. This is this is a good buy. Actually, this is actually a good buy. This is actually a good buy. So just get ready, guys. Get ready. Okay, only give this trade a go, but we need a bottom week. You need to see price retest. Price will retest. Then once price retest, then we can look opportunities to go long. Yeah, closed. Price closed. Let me look at GTS now. Nothing interesting. I can use that rejection because I cannot decide to use a 40 pip stop loss for a, well, the range is the same thing though, but I need that rejection, guys. I probably need to come here, at least come here and test. If it doesn't, then it's fine. If it doesn't, probably I can just buy from the top, put my stop loss below here. It's something else I can also do. I can buy when it breaks the high. I can buy when it breaks the high. Let me see. Yeah, the way it stands now, I think my buys are going to be above the high. If I break above the high, and you might see clear for sales as well. And I'm seeing something. I'm seeing some other things. So 30 minutes can still decide to reject this level and close like this and look for sales below the structure. But for me to enter buy now, I think I'll need price to break above this high. So I'll be placing a buy stop above the high. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll buy something to be above this high like this. And something going to be below just this candle low. That's exactly what I'm going to do. This is how I'm going to enter this trade. Well, I feel like sales can still play out on this trade, but it has broken above the 15 minutes support. I feel like it's going to play out. The buys are going to play out in 30 minutes actually. I feel like the buys are going to play out in 30 minutes time frame. If you're going to look for buys or the candles. Let's say the 5 minute candle close. Let's say the 5 minute candle close. I'm in, so I placed my buy stop on it. I placed my buy stop. I think I just got activated. Oh, I just got activated. I couldn't send the trade out. I was typing out the trade. But you can just manually enter it now. You can manually enter it. You can manually enter the trade. You can manually enter the trade. But I'm in this trade right now. My stop loss is just below here. So let's see. Let's see. I'm actually in this trade right now, guys. I'm in the trade right now. So let's see how the price goes. Push. So it's getting, it's just getting, but you're seeing the trade, guys. Let's see. You can manually enter it now, or if you want. So let's see how the trades is going to play out. How am I going to be managing this trade? How am I going to be managing this trade? How am I going to be managing this trade? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we can get 10 pips of this trade quickly. 10 pips should be around here. So let me mark that up. Because we're pushing 10 pips already. Let's see. So we're currently at very close to 10 pips, guys. Very close to 10 pips. So we're looking to move your stop to break even. We're looking to move your, we're almost close to 10 pips. So we're looking to move your stop to break even, guys. That's 10 pips, guys. 10 pips, guys. 10 pips, guys. 10 pips. We have 10 pips. So let's see if price can push more. Move your stop to break even. So almost at 20 pips, guys. We're almost at 20 pips. Almost at 20 pips, guys. Almost at 20 pips. Move your stop to break even. Make sure your stop are breaking, guys. We need to be risk free on this trade. Let's be actually risk free on this trade. Let's see if we can get 20 so we can be out of the trade immediately. Let's see if we can get 20, guys. Let's see if we can get 20. I'm 10 already, so we're risk free on this. Let's see if we can do. We're almost at 20 pip, guys. This is 20 pip, 20 pip. That's it. That's the win, guys. I'm in and out. I'm out of the trade. I went out at 20. I'm out at 20, guys. I'm out at 20. I'm out at 20. That's the win. I'm out at 20. I'm out at 20. W's on the chat. W's on the chat. I'm out at 20, guys. This is a beautiful buy. Beautiful buy on gold. Beautiful buys on gold, guys. W's on the chat. This is a beautiful buy on gold. Easy peasy, like no stress. You can decide to hold it if you want, but I've gotten my wins. I've gotten my trade. Played that well. Played that well. We got rewarded for it. We got rewarded for it. Played out well. Played out very well. Played out very well. So the account sits at 111 right now. 111 because I use 0.5. So as the account is growing, I'm increasing my lot size. I don't think I've dropped the manual on the account size. Like the account is growing, what lot size to you? I don't think I've done that. So I think I'll do that in the chat. I'm going to drop the PDF file. Is it PDF? I mean, it's PDF or spreadsheet. Sorry, I'm going to do a spreadsheet on how it's supposed to work. So double on the chat, guys. This was a beautiful trade on gold. Beautiful trade on gold, guys. So there's no better way to do this. This is just pure price action at its finest. So initially I wanted to get in around this level, but pricing come down to give me a bottom week. So rather I decided to enter break of the high, which is a better price as well, because it has a final price wants to continue the trend and put my surplus below, because if price come back down, obviously this can go to bearish. And like I said, I'm still anticipating the buy and I'm also anticipating the sell for basically for the candle. So W's guys, W's. Whether you trade W's guys, W's. So pushing, your account is pushing, everything's going fine, everything's going so fine. So basically that's it. Basically that's it. So I don't think I'll bother placing any trade again. But I think we'll come back NY to look for opportunities in NY. We're closing at 20 people, so I'm out of the trade out. So once you guys, I think I'm going to end the stream with you here because there's no point looking at chat anymore. These are days I like. These are these that I really love. That we just come to chat, analyze weekly beats, and just see opportunities, and you just dive right in. So I don't get greedy. I don't get greedy at all. So I'm okay with the win. I'm okay with the trade. The trade can decide to be 100 pips, fine. But it has not got to the stage I will trade for long. I can't go to the stage. I can't go to where I want this to get to before I start holding trade, because the point that I'll start holding trade, that one price gets to 20 pips, I'm going to close the position, then I'm going to allow my runners run. Like I just allow my runners run. My runners will give me enough money. Like runners might give me like times 2 of the price I close. But for now, this is when we're just going to be in and out. So that I can keep growing, you understand? So when I can't get to a certain stage, then we're going to do it. So I've said it before, the goal is to grow the account to 1,000. Then from there, we're going to withdraw profits, half of the profits by a 100K worth of profit, $100,000 worth of profit. Then the 100,000 profit, the goal is to grow it, scale it up to over $1 million. So we'll start buying, pass it, hopefully pass it. Then from there, plan to grow it to over $1 million worth of profit. That's just the goal for the account, like consistent. So we're taking our time, understand? Taking our time. So as we take our time like this, we're going to let it process. We're not trying to do this in one go. We're not trying to do this in one go because trust me, most of the traders that does everything in one go, like pass this one, flip the accounts once. Trust me, they in the long run they will start losing a lot of trade. You can see, let's go through the process, through the bad trades, the good trades, everything. Let's just walk through the process and see how it is to know the good weeks and bad weeks and all. So this is just basically what we're going to do. Trust me, I can attempt flipping the $50 to 1,000 in 1 week. Trust me, I can do it. And the possibility of me bleeding it is there, and possibility of me even passing it is also there. I can just look for one match trade and just go 10x on it, or reach like half of the 4 accounts on one trade. So if I reach like the 4 accounts, I can probably make 500 in that same day. I'm probably the next day I reached the whole account again. So, but that's not the plan. The plan is to take it easy, take it a day at a time, and grow your account. So that's just basically what it's all about. So if you're interested, just stick to me. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how the account goes. Let me update. Okay, I've not updated the whole stuff. I've not updated the stuff. Like I said, I'm okay with the trade moving, running, going up. I'm okay with it. I'm okay wherever I close. The idea of you saying, "Ah, damn, I missed this trade. I would have moved it longer." No, wherever this, let me restructure your brain. Wherever and whenever you close your trade, that's your secret. Forget the idea of trying the trade is moving. Fuck, damn, should I hold this long? No. Whenever you close your trade, the exact point you decide that this is where I want to close my trade, that is your take profit, guys. Forget the whole noise, try to moving upward. Yes, if I have hold it longer, definitely I would have made more profits. Exactly, extra $5 in my account, good. We should scale up my account the more, but that is not the idea. That is not the idea of this trade. The idea is to chase 20 people, and I just did that. So that is it. So let's see how it goes. Let's keep pushing, guys. So like I said, this is where I'm going to end the stream. This is where I'm going to end the stream, guys. So I'm going to see you guys. NY. Hopefully, I'll see you guys on NY. So we can make more opportunities soon on NY. But I made money today, so I don't know if I'm actually going to come on NY. But the plan was, in case I don't see any trade anywhere, London section, I'll come online on NY. But let's just see how it goes. That's how it goes. So you can see also you get an opportunity if price close above here. For those people that are greedy, that still want to look for trade, if you get this candle closing above the structure, you can wait for a candle retest and you can buy it to the top. But for me, I'm good where I am. I'm good where I am. So see you guys. See you guys when we see. Stay blessed. I hope you guys made some money from this trade. And that's it. Peace, guys. Peace.